Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a all-new 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury's V8 300 in white. We have Sea Deck on the swim platform, cockpit, and going up to the bow. We have the Dune upholstery package in this boat. You have a freshwater shower off the transom, your Fusion stereo head unit, control, flagpole. We have in-deck built-in cooler right here off the transom. Another great feature when you're hanging out off the back of the boat is this backrest gives you a whole nother lounging position. Stepping into the boat, you'll notice a lot of seating, port and starboard side. Both of the port and starboard side seats will slide forward and also slide aft. We have your second built-in cooler here on the starboard side. Port side, massive storage compartment again. That goes all the way aft, right up to about here, so plenty of storage. This seat faces forward, faces aft. Also has another position like this. I want to show you what Sea Ray did here. Easy access to your batteries, fuel filters, extra storage, your bilge pump, etc. Massive storage compartment here. Again with the storage, big in-floor box. The amount of storage on this boat is endless. On the dash, we have a 9-inch Simrad unit, Lenco trim tabs, your Mercury throttle, DTS. We have a nice glove box for some extra storage, cup holders, phone chargers. Over here to your port side, we have the Fusion stereo head unit. This boat also has the premium sound system. On the recently redesigned 250 sun deck, see the bathroom is underneath that starboard side compartment. They made this a lot wider, giving you a lot of extra room in this head compartment. We have a sink down here, a vacuum flush head, great amount of storage as well. Moving up to the bow. Right now we have the bow filler cushion. Makes that into a nice area to sun lounge. And then access to your anchor. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.